Model, 68-plate Ford Transit 350L3 front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi Euro 6 long MOT body, white, panel van mileage, 76,621 MOT, 30 August 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, clutch perfect, ignition barrel is worn and will need replacing, you just have to jiggle the key around, can take 1 second or 1 minute. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, interior is clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Bodywork needs tidying. Features: 1 former keeper, reversing camera, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £12,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on